something that happened to me recently. I did the Adopt a Senior thing, like on Facebook with my dad's account. And today, my adopter just, what's it called? I just received my package, or my present. And this is it. We have a lot of goodies, so I'm just going to be sharing with you guys. Right now I'm Zooming some friends. We're just talking. So if you see me laugh, that's why. But yeah, I'm just going to be sharing and showing them, because I haven't showed them either. So if you hear screaming, that's why. So first thing she got me was these grad glasses. Wow, cute. My prescription. Yes. Can't see. And then she got me some EO lip balms. Wow. Can you guys see? Yes, cute. And then she got me a relaxing lavender mud mask. Whoa. Oh. Mom, come here. Just come here. Look, that's my mom. What a cutie. Okay, well, I guess I'm done. Say hi. Oh my god, she got me string. Oh boy. She got me Sour Patches. Some diabetes. She got me Pringles. She got me a lot of snacks. She got me Sour Pine. Whoa. She got me a $25 gift card. Broke right here. I needed that. I got pens. Paper Mate Ink Joy. Beauty Guru. Come on. Why didn't you guys tell me? Oh my god. And then the York Peppermint Patties. I love these. Okay. If you judge me, I swear to God.
I haven't had one.
You haven't had one?
No. I feel like, okay, I feel like they're gross.
That bag is like huge.
It's big in my hand. And then it has a double chocolate peppermint patty cookies recipe on the back. Literally 3 steps. And then she got me some little necklaces. That was already on the bag. And then that's it. So I can use the container too. It's so cute. I was in my PJs and everything when she came. I was embarrassed. There was a knock on that. I was just watching TV, whatever. And like I wear this like 5XL shirt and like my PJs. And like my monkey pajama pants. And then there was a knock on my door and I was like, who is that? So my mom answered the door and her niece gave me the basket. I was so embarrassed. My hair was like this. I just woke up probably, I don't know. She was like, is Paolo there? And I was like, oh my god, that's me. Embarrassing. So yeah, I have a lot of photos of you also. My friend Narely and Sonia. Here, I'll show you actually. They're so cute. Look at Sonia. And Narely, they've seen you in like 5 other videos. I don't. What are you doing? But they both did the Facebook adoption thing as well. And I need to give Sonia some photos because she doesn't have any photos of herself. And Narely, did you get yours?
I don't know. Sonia did it, so I talked to her.
I posted it. It got approved.
That's right. Okay. So you
Then
did.
how do I know if they want to adopt me? Like, are they gonna
I don't know
message
if they like message you or
They
something.
they comment on your post, and then you'll see the comments, and if somebody wants to adopt you, then they'll be like, "Can I adopt you?" And then you just DM them through el Facebook.
like a notification.
Yeah, or go to the post.
I don't know how to do that.
Go to groups.
Okay, I'm